Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload a submittals to Procore in just very easy steps. So here first, of course, log into your Procore account and open the project where you need to submit your documents. And you'll be able to see there in the left menu, click on the submittals tool from the left-hand menu. And then if you're the contractor, you can click create to make a new submittal. And if you are a subcontractor, you can click the submittal you have been assigned to. And now upload your submittal documents by clicking edit, scrolling down to attachment and adding your files here. And once done, you just need to click save if you're preparing a submittal or submit for review if you are submitting as a subcontractor. And that's it, guys. That's how to upload submittals and Procore. Like and subscribe for more construction tech tips. And if you have any questions, don't be shy to drop them in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.